be doing this in eyeliner, I would suggest avoiding any kind of gel eyeliners or anything that's going to be raised off of your skin. Now, I'm not drawing in all of the teeth just yet. I wish with all of my heart that I could give you a detailed explanation on how to draw the tongue other than draw the tongue. I have no idea what I'm doing. To fill in the tongue, I'm using the Madeyewlook foundation brush, and then I mix together pink, brown, red, white to create the tongue color. Shading the tongue will consume your entire life. You're gonna want to shade this tongue for the next 30 years. I then mix together just red and just brown to make this darker red to add more of the shading to the tongue. Now going in with the Madeyewlook angled brush and dark red eyeshadow, I'm just defining more of these shadows. Mixing together pink, white, and brown, I'm then just going back in and highlighting some of the areas that I think are getting a little bit too dark. I then went back to shading. I wish I could give you these steps in like a certain order. Adding these slobbery highlights of white body paint. I'm mainly adding this in the areas where the tongue would come forward more and the light would be catching the slobber. To start on the teeth, I filled in all the teeth that I had drawn so far. Now I'm leaving these teeth alone for a little while so I can fill in the rest of the inside of my mouth. Kind of went in between the teeth a little bit with red, but not like super. Now I'm gonna go back in and remove little sections of where I want to put little teeth. Now that we have all of our colors established, you could fill in your new eyeballs white. You thought we were moving on to black. Haha, you were fooled. I wanted to add a little bit more to the mouth. Like I said, this 30 years from now, you're gonna be like, I'm still working on Venom's mouth. I love drooly characters. It just brings it so much more to life. I also wanted to add a smidgen of a gum line, so I outlined the teeth using red body paint and then highlighted it using white. Ladies and gentlemen, the most satisfying part of this entire video is outlining everything. It cleans up your edges, things look so nice. In addition to painting my face and my body, I also painted my hair black.